So then guys, today I am testing out a brand new dash cam from A810 MIA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop in the car with the new dash cam, or has been freshly installed, but let me go back to my studio and tell you more about it. So then guys, this is the A810 or the A810 4K dash cam, and it is absolutely amazing. I've had it installed in my car now and I'm absolutely loving my experience with it. So first of all, what I thought I'd do is I'd show you a bit of the unboxing of this camera with everything inside. So it was quite easy to open up the actual dash cam box and everything, and there were loads of cables and everything ready. And then also we also have a rear dash cam, and also we also have the front A810 front dash cam too. So really you get everything to get started. Like I said, you got the main camera. You can also plug this into, say, your cigarette lighter sort of port, or your 5-volt sort of charging, 5 amp, whatever it is now. That one there, you can do that. Or you can even hardwire it into your car, just like what I've done here. I've actually hardwired it into my car, and you can do that. But not only this, there's a 4G connectivity kit as well. What I've also installed in my car here, what's in this little sort of capsule here, will also connect to my camera, what I'll talk about a little bit later on in the video, because this is truly amazing on what this can do. But next of all, let's talk about the actual camera and also its main features and why this camera is so good. Now, this camera can record at a 4K ultra high definition resolution, and it's actually equipped with a Sony Starvis 2. And just in case you want to know what that means, it means it's the sensor what's in behind this camera here, behind this lens here. And you know, just have a look at here at a sample of the quality what you get with this dash cam. It is absolutely amazing. The great thing is you can see miles down the road, and especially if you're recording in 4K, that means you can also do zooming and things like this to get the great sort of crisp sort of pictures, to see things and details, just in case you did actually have an accident. The camera also has lots of other great features like HDR dual channel recording, and also it has a night owl vision. Look at here how good it is at doing nighttime recording. It's absolutely amazing. And also you can also set it up for time-lapse recording too. The camera also has super sensing built into it, so it also really works with ADAS, or ADAS, what stands for Advanced Driving Assistance Systems. So this is really good to have this built into this camera. And like I said guys, I've installed this in my car, so I decided to go out for a drive with this camera. So driving with the A810 MIA, it's no problems whatsoever. The camera is just recording here, and you know, I'm not even aware it's hidden behind my mirror there, but I know it's there. The safety is all there for me, that it's going to be just recording if anything was to happen in front of me right now, you know, if there was any accidents or anything like that. It's also the same for the rear camera too. Everything is just all fine. There's been no problems with the actual setup of the camera or anything like that. I've not noticed anything, and yeah, it's just giving me that full peace of mind now that I can just drive this car. This camera here is just doing its job, what it should do. It's recording the front, it's recording the back, and it's just good to go, and I'm really happy with the footage that comes out from it too. And there we go. And let me show you a bit of the footage of the journey that I went on. I want to show you here the daytime and the nighttime a little bit more. As you can see here, the quality is absolutely amazing with this 4K resolution. Everything's so clear with the optimized image quality built into it. We have a large 1.8 aperture pulling in more light. So then if I flick over here to a sort of a night sort of recording here, you can see how clear everything is. It is really, really amazing how much is being pulled into this sensor here through the lens. It is truly amazing. And the main reason behind this is because this camera has Mere Color Vivid Plus, and this optimizes the footage, giving it better exposure, color, accuracy, stability, you name it. It's absolutely amazing in working out to get the best kind of picture out while using it as a dash cam. So this means then if you did need to capture, say, a license plate or anything like that, you've definitely got the confidence that this camera can pick that up. Now, there is also the app as well for all of this, and this allows you to hotspot to your actual camera, and you can actually download all your recordings or view them via the app here, what is absolutely incredible to see. So see everything what's being recorded, and you can check it out on your phone. You don't have to actually pull down your camera, take out the SD card, and look up everything that way. You can access it all via your phone. And a big part of this is all to do with the 4G hardware kit here, and let me tell you a little bit more about this kit. So with the camera installed back in my car, like I said, I do have this 4G module right here, and you're probably wondering to know what this does. Well, this allows me to live stream everything from my camera to my phone, but the app can also go further than that. So for example, I can do live streaming like I am right now. I'm live streaming what my camera is looking at right now. I don't want to give away where I live or anything, so I point the camera away. But yeah, you get the idea. I can live stream it and use it like a security camera if I'm worried about my car. And this is absolutely amazing. No other kind of dash cam out there can really do that. You actually have to go to the camera and you have to find it out, you have to download everything, but by this way I can just live stream and it is brilliant. I can also set up things like app alerts and things like this, so if somebody dodgy comes along towards my car and I'm not too happy, it can send me app alerts on my phone to tell me that somebody is going near my car right at the time. A bit like security cameras right now will have this ability too. This can do exactly the same with your dash cam and just alert you whenever you need to be alerted. And this is called the Smart Parking Guardian mode, and literally it is what it says on the tin. It's being a guardian, it's checking out to see if anybody suspicious is coming near your car, and it will alert you if that is happening. So I'm really happy with that. And as you can imagine, because it's got a 4G module and things like this, you can also use things like Find My Car with this app here. It's really cool. So if I get lost in a parking lot or a car park, then I can actually find my car with using this app too, to find exactly where the car is, because it has that module inside of it, and that is super handy as well. Something else just to quickly mention is also you do have a rear dash cam as well, what you can install in the back of your car like I have done right here, and then you can wire this over to your car if you want to do that, and you can plug it in directly into your camera, which is really good, and you get a full 1080p experience there, recording out the rear of your car too, all built into the same SD card, and you can manage all of that via the app as well. So that is really handy to know that. And with that too, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. So do you have a dash cam yourself, and what do you think of this new dash cam, the A810? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews, and also comparisons, please also make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell too. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.